So you're all welcome to Uncle Sam tutorial, excellent mathematics tutorial, and I'm going to look at some questions this morning. Don't forget, if you're new here, try to subscribe and share with your friends. So I'm going to be using these past questions to solve some questions, probably as a guide to those who are writing the junior WAEC examinations. So over to the questions. In question number 1 is 2013 PECE JSCE Mathematics Section A objective. Question number 1 says the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. If the breadth is 2 centimeter, find its area. So over to this place where we can do the solving quickly. So I'm going to use this to do the solving quickly. Now on the solving sheet, question number 1 quickly. Question number 1. Now we are told that the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. If the breadth is 2 centimeter, find its area. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth. 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth. So if that is clear enough, and we are told that the perimeter is 20 centimeters, so we have put 20, and for the length we are told that the breadth is 2 centimeters, so the length remains the way it is, and of course we put 2 in the place of the breadth, so that will be 2 times 2. So if you're following me, 2 times 2, this is 20 here. Bring down the 20, we have 2L. Then of course 2 times 2 is 4. Having done that, we transfer this one over to this side, so we have 20 minus 4, which will now be equals to 2L. So by the time we take care of this, we transfer it. When it's a positive here, and transfer a positive over to this side, becomes a negative. So we have 20 minus 4. So 20 minus 4, we have 20. We have 18 rather. We have 18, which now be equals to 2L. So when we divide both sides by 2 to get our L, so side by 2, see that this we cancel this, and if you divide this side by 2, you have 9, because 2 times 9 will give us 18. So we have that, therefore our L, which is our length, become 9, and it was given in centimeters, so that is 9 centimeters. Now we have our length, we have our breadth. So since we have our length and our breadth, we can go ahead and answer the question, which says we should find its area. Find its area. So let's go ahead and find the area. We know that the area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle is equals to length times breadth. Now that you have gotten the length to be 9 and the breadth to be 2 centimeters, so by the time you multiply that, you have 18 centimeters. Remember, it's area, so we square the centimeter, so centimeter square. And if you go and check in our options, the correct option there is B. Correct option there is B. Option B. So over to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 says simplify 8 minus 9 minus bracket minus 5. So let's take that over. Number 2, we have 8 minus 9 minus open brackets minus 5. And don't forget your board mass. We bring down our 8 minus 9. we use this minus to open this bracket. Remember that I must have told you that minus is plus, so we have plus, then we have 5. So we can take care of this very fast. So this minus this, we have minus 1. You know that 8 minus 9 is minus 1. That is, if you say, if you have a plus here, plus minus is minus, so 9 minus 8 will give us 1. Between 8 and 9, the biggest number is 9. So look at the sign in front of the biggest number, which is minus. Put that, we have minus 1. So we have plus 5. So by the time you take care of that as well, remember that minus plus is minus, so minus plus is minus, then 5 minus 1 will give us 4, and the sign of the highest number remains plus, so we have our answer to be plus. So even if we write 4 or plus 4, it's still the same thing as plus 4. So that is our answer. And if you go to our option and check out our option, the option is C. The option is C. We indicate that, so you can tick that in your booklet if you have the booklet as you're solving with me.